Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. It's one of the rare 2 times a night videos here. I did get the new laser in, and you can see it's actually turning. It took a while to check the disk, and now it started loading the game. It's not there yet. I spoke too soon. I have a little display screen off to my left. I'm watching. Capcom. So it's loading slow, but I don't know what the original load speed was, and I've seen videos of how to adjust. There's four potentiometers on here, and there's a way to adjust it so you get better tracking. So that's probably what we're looking at here. Is the adjustments on the board here are not matching up the adjustments for the new laser pickup on it, so I'll mess with that probably tomorrow, even later now. I think it's close to 11 o'clock right now. It's still loading. It's taking too long. But anyway, at least the laser works. It's picking up something, so now it's just a matter of matching it up with the board to the laser pickup to see if that helps the read speeds. Or it doesn't like CDRWs. Or CDRs, I should say. But either way, it's still loading. It hasn't given up yet. It's still going. Anyway, yeah, I'll go and see how to adjust the pots on here next. And that'll be the next video, so at least the laser's working. I've been asked to keep going on the Nomad controller mod, so hopefully I get some more information on that one. It's still spinning. It's still trying. I can see that. Yeah, I'm gonna need to do some adjustments, but that's fine. But at least I got some progress going on here. The Nomad's getting me to tear my hair out a little bit. I don't quite understand what's going on, but at least this works, and with some adjustments it'll work even better. And I know it's a quick video, only 3 minutes, but good enough. And they're gonna I gotta actually watch some YouTube videos to do this, so don't want to dual wield here. So thanks for watching, and time to figure out what do we need to adjust on here.